What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 14.0.1 on select devices. The compatible devices are showing right now on your screen. It's basically the A8, A8X, A9 and A9X devices with support for other devices coming soon. This video is brought to you by AnyFix, a system repair program that allows you to fix multiple iOS issues, allows you to enter and exit recovery mode, upgrade and downgrade, and of course fix iTunes issues. Check it out in the link below. So for this we're going to use CheckRa1n. As you probably know, CheckRa1n for iOS 14 has been released a couple of days ago, and it supports officially iOS 13.7, 13.6, 13.6.1, 13.5.1 and stuff like that, but also iOS and tvOS 14.0 on some devices. Now they do have a very long article in here called The State of the CheckRa1n on iOS 14, in which they explain the fact that due to SEP or Secure Enclave Processor, it's very hard to jailbreak some of the supported CheckRa1n devices at this moment. So only these devices in here are supported as we speak, with these devices hopefully getting support very soon and these devices in here posing problems. So if you ever used CheckRa1n before, you know the drill. You download the CheckRa1n for your device for either macOS or you go ahead in here for Linux. There is no Windows version at this moment. It says in here they are working on it, but for the moment there is no Windows version available, so if you have Windows, definitely use the Linux one on a dual boot. So once you download it, you open the CheckRa1n and of course you connect your device. For those of you who are veterans with the CheckRa1n, you probably know how it works by now. The only reason I'm making the video is for people who search for 14.0.1 jailbreaks to be able to find it. So iOS 14.0 is officially supported, however 14.0.1 is not supported in here, it's not mentioned, and therefore we have to go to options and check the allow untested iOS. This will allow the CheckRa1n to work with your device, even if your iOS minor version, for example 14.0.1, 0.2 and stuff like that, is not officially supported. So we have to press start in here, press next, device enters in recovery mode, which looks like this right now on your screen, and then we have to put it in DFU mode. To do that we have to take the device and we have to follow the instructions on the screen to get into DFU mode. So we press start in here and press the power button and home button in my case, and of course after a while I have to release them and wait for the device to be recognized in DFU mode, which may take a couple of seconds. As you can see, device entered DFU mode, booting, and right now the device is booting and it shows the Apple logo and then the CheckRa1n logo, and this is perfectly normal. This will probably spit a lot of text at you, but this is definitely normal. Just wait for it to boot properly and then you will be able to install Cydia if you don't already have it installed. For those of you who are new to CheckRa1n, the CheckRa1n jailbreak is actually a semi-tethered jailbreak, which means that you are going to have to use the application every time you reboot your phone if you want to jailbreak your device. It does support iPhone 5s through iPhone 10, but that's only for iOS 13.7 and lower. For the iOS 14, the support is somehow limited at this moment, but more devices will be supported soon. So let's go to the device and I'm going to show you how to install Cydia, and that's basically it. So I'm here on the device. As you can see, I already have the CheckRa1n application. I also have Cydia installed already because I jailbroke this device before, but you're going to have to open the loader in here, press Cydia in here, and of course you're going to have to press install. In my case it says reinstall, and you will be able to get Cydia working pretty fine, which of course looks like this. You can install Zebra and you can install other package managers as well if you want that. There can be changes, for example this in here, which you can do. You press upgrade in here and you press confirm. I definitely recommend you to do all the changes that you have, to do all the available upgrades that you have when you install Cydia. Do complete upgrade, not only essential, because that would upgrade basically every single file from the jailbreak that has to be updated. In my case, as you can see here, multiple things had to be updated because I'm already jailbroken, but you're probably going to have to update some of them too. When Cydia asks, just let it do a complete upgrade. So we return to Cydia in here, and as you can see, now everything is fine. You can browse the repos, see exactly what you have in here, so everything seems to be on point. So that's how you jailbreak iOS 14.0.1, 14.1, 13.7 and stuff like that. This is basically like a universal jailbreak that cannot be patched by Apple. The only reason I keep making those videos for each new iOS version is because people search for that new version, and of course older videos for 13.7 wouldn't pop up for a search about iOS 14.0.1, but other than that the procedure mostly doesn't change. Anyways, thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated and peace out.